Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best LEGO Minions is probably one of the most entertaining building sets for both kids and adults. These adorable, brick-built characters bring the mischievous charm of the Minions to life, offering a fun and engaging building experience. With vibrant colors and clever designs, this set is perfect for display or imaginative play. Get ready to embark on a delightful journey as we explore the world of LEGO Minions and discover why it's a must-have for any LEGO enthusiast or Minions fan. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. This is a LEGO brick-built version of the famous Central Perk Cafe. It's packed with authentic details to inspire hilarious memories of the classic Friends TV show. You can show it off to your own friends. The set includes Ross Geller, Rachel Green, Chandler Bing, Monica Geller, Joey Tribbiani, Phoebe Buffy and Gunther minifigures. They come with cool accessories to roleplay memorable scenes. This collectible 1070-piece LEGO toy makes a great Friends memorabilia gift for fans. It offers a rewarding building experience for adults aged 16+ who love to build solo or share the fun. This LEGO Ideas Central Perk 21319 set is compatible with the LEGO construction toys, bricks and characters you already own. You can create your own mashup models and unique stories. This colorful Friends TV show gift item measures over 4 inch, 11 centimeters, high, 11, 29 centimeters, wide and 8, 22 centimeters, deep. It will make a big impression when displayed in any room or office. What we like. This set lets you recreate the iconic Central Perk Cafe. It comes with detailed minifigures of the Friends characters. If you are a fan of the Friends TV show and enjoy building, this set is perfect for you. It offers a rewarding building experience and will look great on display. What people say. The detail was perfect. The directions were easy to follow and everything fit together so well. The attention to detail is incredible, from the orange couch to the stage lights, everything screams Central Perk. The minifigs are spot on, Joey even has his man bag, and building the set was both relaxing and nostalgic. Number 4. LEGO Minions Unstoppable Bike Chase, 75549. Get ready for a wild ride with this LEGO set. It features the Minions, Gru, and a super cool motorbike. This set is packed with fun. Join Gru on his mission. Kids can place the Minions on the bike or let them zoom around on rocket skates. There are so many ways to play with it. This toy motorbike set lets kids recreate scenes from the Minions, The Rise of Gru movie. It includes figures of Stuart, Bob, and Gru. They're ready for action. With 3 figures, including an exclusive Gru minifigure, the fun never stops. Kids can make up their own Minion stories. It's perfect for imaginative play. Looking for a great gift? This set is ideal for Minions fans aged 6 and up. It's a fun toy for kids who love building and Minion adventures. The toy motorbike is just the right size for creative play. It is over 3 inches high, 5 inches long, and 1 inch wide. It is easy to handle and play with. What we like. This set features an action-packed motorbike and includes the exclusive Gru minifigure. It's designed for role-play fun, allowing kids to create their own Minion stories. If your child loves the Minions and enjoys imaginative play, this set is an excellent choice for exciting adventures. What people say. Really cute little set, very fun addition to my boy's collection of Minions Legos. Gift to my granddaughter. She loves the Minions and putting them together. Great buy, easy to build, my kids love them. Number 3. LEGO Minions, The Rise of Gru, Minion Pilot, 75547. This is a fun Minions toy plane building set. It features Stuart in a pilot outfit and Bob LEGO figures. Kids can build a plane and recreate thrilling scenes from the Minions, The Rise of Gru movie. There's lots to discover in this fun toy set. Minions fans will love the Bob and Stuart LEGO figures. It also includes cool accessories for creative play, such as a banana, hot dog, peanut bag, suitcase and fart blaster. Creative fun is easy with this toy play set. The detachable roof lets kids explore the plane along with the Minions. You can put Stuart in the cockpit or let Bob's sweet and subversive nature play out in the passenger cabin. This set is a great choice for kids aged 4 and up. With instructions plus, learning to build is even more fun. This buildable plane set with Minion figures measures over 4 inches high, 9 inches long and 9 inches wide. It is the perfect size for kids who love to play with toy planes. What we like. This set includes a buildable toy plane and Minion figures. It comes with creative accessories, like a banana and a fart blaster. If you are looking for a fun and engaging building experience with Minions, this set is perfect for kids aged 4 and up. What people say. The set is very cute and the finished product looks great. The instructions were easy to follow. The set is fun to build and the finished product looks great. Number 2. Funko Mystery Minis, Minions, The Rise of Gru. Have you seen the new Minions movie? These Funko Mystery Minis are inspired by the movie. It is a toy figure. Each package is a mystery, so you never know which character you'll get. It's fun to collect them all. The package is small, measuring 2 inches in length and width, and 4 inches in height. It is easy to carry. If you're a fan of the Minions, then this is a must-have item. It is a great gift for yourself or a friend. Don't miss out on the chance to own these adorable figures. Get it now. What we like. These mystery minis offer collectible figures with a surprise element. You don't know which character you'll get until you open it. If you like collecting Minions figures, this is a great way to add to your collection. What people say. He's very cute, sturdy, and well made. Came in just like the one from the original company. Wonderful gift. Number 1. LEGO Minions Kung Fu Battle, 75550, Building Set. This LEGO set brings the excitement of the Minions movie to life. It's perfect for young fans to recreate scenes from The Rise of Gru. The set includes 3 Minion figures ready for action. They are dressed in Kung Fu outfits and ready to play. Kids can help them practice their skills with the weapon rack and training dummy. They can even launch fireworks from the temple. Looking for a gift for a Minions fan aged 6 and up? This set is ideal for creative fun. It's a great choice for kids who love building toys and Minion stories. The toy temple is the perfect size for creative play. It measures over 6 inches high, 5 inches wide, and 10 inches deep. What we like. This set brings the excitement of Chinese New Year with a Kung Fu theme. It includes Kevin and Stuart Minion figures. If you enjoy interactive play and are a fan of the Minions, this set provides a fun and creative building experience. What people say. The set is very cute and the finished product looks great. The instructions were easy to follow. The set is a good size and has a lot of fun details. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.